Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that WISHBONE token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, WISHBONE is a meme coin made for fun and community. It has no intrinsic value and no promise of financial return. Nothing here is financial advice. Only buy what you can afford to lose. WISHBONE, a community token live on Robinhood chain. Somewhere out there a trail was left behind. However, follows it, find it. Wishbone token total supplies 936.28 million and circulating supplies also 936.28 million. Wishbone token is listed on MEXC, Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.